Good morning. Hope you are having an amazing morning so far. Welcome to another episode of McGill's View, where we're going to be scalping and trading the stock market as well as whatever presents itself, options, crypto. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. All right, guys, welcome. So let's go ahead and see what's moving this morning. Hope everybody's having an amazing uh, morning this morning. Let's start with ACST, a sub penny. All right. We are moving on up. This is the top gainer right now. And it has news that it announces agreement to acquire Grace Therapeutics Inc. Okay. So acquire. That's a key word right there. Acquire. Anytime you get a press release that says acquire, it's good news. IBIO. Okay. Already hitting $2 there. Let's go ahead and see what the news is. All right, IBIO. It says announcing the next generation COVID-19 vaccine candidate. Okay. Next one, ASRT. ASRT. This one's kind of on a downtrend. You see this? So, shares are moving higher after the company reported better than expected Q1 EPS. Okay, so good earnings, but you already know how that goes. It has a good daily chart. You know, we have room to break all the way up here. So we keep that on watch. And then we have ORGS. This one's in an uptrend. See what the news is on this one. Okay, so increases revenue by 400%. So good revenue there. Nice move. Okay, we're way to 443 all the way to 637. Nice. And then TTOO. Does it have earnings today? I already did. Let's see. The daily about a split verdict, collaboration. Better than expected. Q1 sales results. Okay, so it had good earnings as well. All right. So there it is, folks. Let's go ahead and see what the lowest float on the scanner is. Hold on. Let's go ahead and take a look at the lowest float. Where's my scanner? Oh, there it is. So the lowest float we have today. What is a float? Okay, so the float is the number of shares available to the public. The lower the number, okay, the faster the float can rotate, and the faster the stock moves. So we want to trade low floats. So the low float today is they're pretty big, except for the lowest float is ORGS. ORGS is the lowest float today, and unfortunately, I think that one. No, it's good. We're in an uptrend. Okay, so that is the lowest float today, with 21 million. IBIO is at 250 million. ACST is at 200 million. ASRT is at 169 million. So the lowest float we have today is ORGS. So that is. It seems okay. So it seems like ORGS yesterday had a move to the upside, kind of sold off all day, and then today we're back up. So um, got to be careful with this one because if that happened yesterday, it could happen again. The SPY, the overall market, okay, it's looking um like it recovered from yesterday's pullback. We had a pullback yesterday to about 414, and now we're 421. So nice bounce for the SPY. It's looking good so far. A green candle on daily, the 4 hour. So hopefully we stay in that uptrend. Now any news can bring this down. So if you guys have a question about any stock, let me know. All right. So let's get ready for the open and see. We have 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Got ACST. Let me put everything I'm watching here. IBIO, SRT, TT. All right, 2 minutes. Also, let's take a look at what Dogecoin is doing. All right, so Dogecoin came to test this trend line. If you're not following me or subscribed to my channel, I make updates on Dogecoin and what it's doing. So I drew this trend lines and they've been hitting to the dot. They hit this target where I talked about in the video. They hit the support where I talked about in the video. And now it's breaking out potentially to hit 80 cents. But we'll see. Looking good now. I told you if you weren't on Dogecoin, this was a good area to get in. So Dogecoin to $1. All right, let's see what's moving. IBIO above VWAP. ACST. ACST moving on up. A lot of volume coming in. Nice 20-cent gap up on ACST. IBIO pulling back. IBIO having a nice pullback. Around this area, let's see if we could bounce. All right, let's look at what Ttoo is doing. And this one's on a downtrend. The only one holding up right now is ACST is top gainer right now. But I mean, it's not moving much. It moved 2 cents. IBIO having a big pullback. What is Dogecoin doing? We're hovering around that one area. DYND here. Like it wants to ASRT pulling back. SRT looks decent here around the 56 area for a potential few cent bounce there. DPW. What's going on, Steven? Good morning, man. DPW. Okay, it's having a little bounce. Yeah, if, there's support right there at the bottom around 230. So good bounce here, brother. Still hope. Still hope. As long as it doesn't break that daily level, below 235, 30, then it'll really probably come down. But candle looking green right now, looking like it wants to go for another run on DPW. An eye on that one. All our top gainers are moving down. TLRY is another one. It's a higher stock. Yeah. So a little bit on the overbought territory already. Moving around this trend right here, looking good. So if we ever come back to this 200 EMA, it'll be a good pick for a bounce. Right now at the pre-market, right at the open. I hate when this happens. Right at the open, we break that downtrend. And it's tough because a lot of times at the open, it could be a little tricky. Okay, ears also coming up. Let's put ears on our watch list. It just came out on the scanners. Ears looking good. I'm gonna replace ears with a SRT. What's going on with ears? Provides update. It says primarily efficient endpoint. Okay, clinical evaluation. And whenever you have the keyword endpoints, it's a good keyword. But it's already taken off. We're not gonna chase it right now. We're gonna wait for a pullback. You're in that 250 average. Hoping that we can close above that today. Yeah, there's a good chance that we can. Yeah, these ears has room to run to 380 area, and if we break above 4, we have room on the daily to run a 475 trend line. So keep an eye on this one. What's the volume? Oh, it's still low volume though. The daily average is 5 million and it's only averaging 1 million right now. So I don't watch. What's Dogecoin doing? Is it going to $1? Let's put this on a 5-minute chart. It's just kind of sideways trading the 60 area mark. As long as we stay above this trend line. We do have this downtrend on the RSI. If we break above, get a move to the upside on Dogecoin. Now the stock fell from $10. LMFA, what's up with this one? Oh, had a, was it a stock split? Yeah, reverse stock. That's why it's up this. During Q. IBIO just bleeding to death. What's going on? See what's going on with Tesla. Tesla last Friday, man, just a real nice move. IBIO just getting shorted. SRT. Still making new lows. Nothing, man. Moving the penny stocks. LRY. Higher stock. We break above that 16 area. If you want me to look at a chart, guys, let me know. I'll look at it. Pretty slow right now. I'll take a look at anything you want. RCH also moving up. Low volume though. This breaking this downtrend. The RCH is looking decent. I'll put this one on my watch list. EIDM. I mentioned this one on Wednesday, I believe. I like this. I like this for a bounce. Yeah, yesterday just kind of went sideways, but another one I'm watching. And then I mentioned AHR. Oh, no volume on this one. I swear. The only one moving, guys, is ears. Ears. Into VWAP and bounced real nice. We missed this VWAP opportunity. CST as well. That's YPR. Another one I mentioned. Was forming this U shape and just decided to sell off on Thursday. SOS. Guys, ears is the only one moving up, making new highs. Everything else is soaring down. Yep, it hit this 383 like I've mentioned. Now we do have room to hit that 475, but let's wait for a pullback. It says ears sees positive results from nasal spray trial. So it has positive results for, and it meets primary endpoints. Endpoint is a good keyword. So far, this is probably going to be the top watch. BW over 10 cents. Also, man, keep that on watch as well. Everything's just coming down. Just keeping an eye for a reversal. Oh, ears. Really missed that VWAP bounce right there. That would have been a beautiful trade. So far, market's looking green, guys. Market is looking green. Come on, ears. What are you doing, man? You can't go all the way to 475. You need to have a pullback, baby. What are you doing? $4.12. Come on. Come on, ears. Pull back, man. Pull back. What are you doing? Could have paid a $4 break for a scalp. It's up there though. Look at the RSI. It's up there. It's hitting the top deviation lines. Not a good sign. A little bit more riskier. Or 15. Come on, ears. What are you doing? Yeah, the best opportunity was right here at the VWAP. This is the only thing running. Everything else is soaring down. That's why everybody's jumping on this train. Let's go, man. Come and test the VWAP again. I haven't had a single red candle. Well, we had from here, but the reason they don't turn red is because of the script that I have, that it doesn't go below the moving average. It doesn't turn red. 425. Straight up candle. It wants at 475. Come on, give me a pullback. $380, $385. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put some orders here in case we get a flush. Okay, and a bounce at 384, 385. We get a quick flush and a bounce. I'm gonna be in and out. There's nothing else moving. Watch ears. Come on, ears. Gonna get a new high again. Yep, new high. Come on. What a play, man. Got a $1.30 move almost. Let's go get a pullback. Okay, we were up to 90 now. Test the VWAP. Let's go. Come on, ears. Another one moving is IHT. Coming. It's coming. Come on. Let's go, ears. Let's go. 395. You serious? Oh, a little bit more. $4. I'm just having $4 natural support. Let's go up. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. What is this? Fire candle 410. This is some resistance area. Or 15. $394. Okay, watch that downtrend break. Maybe it holds here. Come on. Not holding view up. Yeah, so normally like the first VWAP bounce is the best one. I normally don't like to take a VWAP bounce in the second one, but it just had so much volume coming in. It's not holding. The candle already closed below. I'm gonna watch a reversal on ears. If you want me to look over a chart, let me know. Right now I'm focusing on ears. Second top gainer. Has good news. Ran all the way to 434. Does have room to hit this trend line at 475. Try to take a bounce at the VWAP. It didn't work out. Tesla getting some upside potential. Here's trying to reverse. We need to get above this VWAP now. It's gonna be resistance. If he gets to VWAP and MACD crosses over, could be a trap for longs. Being cautious. Ears is looking like the best play for me right now. Just giving it some time to consolidate down here, break above VWAP, and get going. SPY making new highs right now for 22. Market looking good. Watching the ears. Either we're gonna get a bounce here on the MACD on the 3-minute, or it's gonna cross and it's gonna probably come down again and then reverse. Broke the high of the 2-minute candle. See what's gonna happen. Yeah, you see the MACD here crossing below, so it might have a bigger pullback. That overall chart is setting up pretty nice, so I'm gonna stay a stop watch for me. So the goal now is to get above this candle, 391. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'm going to be doing this every day if you want to learn how to day trade. Yeah. So exactly like I said, we were going to pull back to VWAP. And MACD was crossing to the negative side, so see how far we come down. I really don't want it to come down all the way to the 200 because it's Friday. I don't want people to lose interest on ears. You can hover around this area and break above this candle right here and move up. I mean, we do have room to 475. Both times it's giving everything back on ears, so see, 620 gave everything back. 544 gave everything back. So we can go to 475. That would be target. And then just let it go. Here's the MACD pulling back. There's a big pullback. REG having a big move. The upside. Nice bounce off the VWAP 1, 2, 3 times. Come on, ears. You could have done the same thing. Yeah, MACD cross. When we get that, it's the same to the upside. When we have that MACD cross on 3 minute, very bullish to the upside. Doge is hovering on 60 cents. Doge really doesn't really move during when the market's open during the day. After the market closes, that's when you start seeing Doge move. Tesla's doing. This is not doing too shabby. I wanted to get some calls in Tesla, but a little late now. Looks like Pierce wants to come and test this 325. I mean, 200 EMA. IHT. IHT, same thing with this one. Coming towards VWAP. Back these, going to the negative side. Let's see if we can break. Yeah, so this one has about a 5 to 10 spread sometimes. This is kind of spready. Might be trapping longs there. Let's see. Yeah, it's spready. DI is just in a huge downtrend. Keep an eye on this one for a reversal. It's already down here. It was back in November. Went all the way to $3. So what's SOS doing? SOS not doing much. Looked like we're having a breakout here. It just couldn't happen. Got some calls for SOS for the end of the month. Let's see what happens. IHT just squeezed out the shorts. Yeah. So we had a good squeeze, and now it's coming down. Did it make a new high? Sure did. It's always kind of risky when you get the MACD crossing on the 3-minute, and then you get this push to the upside. You know, you're gonna get trapped. Happens more often than not. If you're quick to scalp it, get your money. But if you're still in, nice volume coming in. Look at ears. Okay, ears. Breaking this downtrend, but we do have VWAP, and we do have continuation on the MACD to the downside. We're gonna hit VWAP, consolidate. I'm gonna hit that 383 area. Yeah, so look at the TTM squeeze going to the negative side. MACD still going down, so it's just a little pop. The probabilities of it going higher are very, very small, but it could happen. But it's telling me it's gonna continue to go down. I think we're gonna see 200 EMA. VIV hit 77 this morning. HT holding up a VWAP. What's gonna happen? This thing has it stranded up to 520. I mean 533. It has touched 533. Ibio slowing down. ST slowing down. The only things moving is IHT and ears. Ibio just giving everything back. JSL. Take a look at VISL, see what's that. $230 dip on VISL was nice. Right here. PTVT. These are all old plays. Going through them. Go back to ears. Let's see what ears is doing. Yeah, ears wants to come to that 200 EMA. See what I mean? About you know, when you get this break of downtrend, but you still have the MACD going in the negative direction. A lot of people get trapped on that. That's why you have to look at a bigger time frame and don't rely too much on the 1 minute. So 200 EMA, we have to get this all the way down and start reversing, and then you can look for potential reversal here on the 1 minute. I really just use the 1 minute to look at the trend overall, okay, on the day. And we're in an uptrend. So for example, if we go to which one was it, IBIO? Yeah, you see how we're in a downtrend on this one, so I kind of stay away from this ones. I want it to be on an uptrend. ACRST on a downtrend. You get a real quick view of which way the stock is going by having these deviation lines. ETOO, a downtrend, you see. So ears, overall, the big picture, we're on an uptrend. Okay, we're just letting it play out. Dogecoin just going sideways. Look at the 15-minute. Yeah, just went sideways, consolidating. Yeah, Dogecoin during the day doesn't move much. After market, I guess people go to crypto and get the volume. Gets volume. ETC was having a massive move yesterday. Went all the way to 173. So I told my friend about this when he got some at $4 back in 2018. So he was real happy. ETC, Bitcoin, it's an uptrend. Just consolidating. Yeah, I think EARS is going to come touch this 200 EMA. Look into the scanner, see what pops up. MBV. Stock is in a sideways downtrend. If you want me to look at something, let me know. Put it on the comments. I'll take a look at it. My friend Steven here. DPW. Let's see what DPW is doing. Okay, DPW, a nice move there at 375. Yeah, I just had a wick over this and can get through. We break this downtrend on DPW, man. That's the place to move. Yeah, if momentum volume keeps coming in, we have room to about 270, 285, and then probably continue the downside. Unless we get some news and this thing blows up, that'll be nice. Fix this downtrend. We're gonna touch here dollars at some point. See what Tesla's doing. This is doing nice. 690 high. $30 move. I thought about getting some Tesla calls this morning. Last Friday ran really good. What's going on with puppy? Yeah, I'm moving very low volume. Start pumping it. Get above this level though. Good run. With some news. Anytime there's a catalyst and it breaks the downtrend, we usually touch that upward trend. It's moving now, but it's getting pumped. Well, we're bought. Ears, let's go back to ears. Okay, let's clean up the chart really quick. Let me raise those. Back to your ears. Okay. Let's see, the TM squeeze, we start getting some reversal confirmation. Market green overall. ORGS trying to reverse. Yeah, so you see confirmation here. Okay. And then you get the signal. So display, we would have caught it early. Entry would be here. Okay, with the stop loss below this candle. And then target would have been going over some stocks on the scanner. See what we find. Back to ears, what the ears is doing. Yeah, another fake out. And the way to spot this is MACD is still downtrending. Okay. Just right now we're getting this reversal, the TTM squeeze. Let me adjust this trend line. Okay, now we might be getting some signs of reversal. So if the MACD starts getting closer and closer, when we break above this trend line, we could look for scalp all the way to the VWAP area. So ears, we can break that downtrend. See if we can do it. Okay, so we're getting some reversal confirmation here on the TTM squeeze. You can see the MACD starting to get closer. You can see the histogram also turning a darker red and a brighter red. That means reversal starting to happen. You don't watch. Hope everybody's doing good today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm up every day showing you how I trade, teaching you. Let me charge my phone. All right, ears. APWC. This one's very low volume, but this one's something to watch, guys. Look at this. We're breaking that downtrend, and it has room to run to $7, but moving on very low volume, 156,000. Yeah, not enough liquidity. Just keep it on watch. If it gets more volume above 300, to watch. If it gets news, this thing will jump all the way to 7. Back to ears. Ears just consolidating around this area. Okay. MACD is looking to closer and closer. Let me know if you have a question on any stock. I'll take a look at it. All right, ears consolidating still around that area. SPY just hovering around that 422 area. Ears pull back. Maybe it wants to touch that 200 EMA. Let's adjust this trend line here. Do you see what I mean? You can't just solely rely on the 1 minute. Okay. You have to look at the bigger picture. That's why I have the 3 minute. And when I'm long on the 3 minute, okay, for example, if I was in here and they had a little pullback here, it wouldn't matter because we're still on upside momentum. MACD is telling you, TTM is telling you, the script that I have has the candles painted. Okay, if you're above the moving averages, so don't need to get out. Okay, coming to that 200 EMA. RGS. HT. Okay, let's watch this one. A break of $5 could bring another squeeze. The IHT could have some upside potential here. A break of $5. That's when the MACD will squeeze up. Also, the IHT is setting up for a squeeze. Okay. IHT. We're gonna see if this is gonna break down or break above. ORGS, we just had a squeeze on that one. What up, ORGS? Nice move on this one. Broke on this flag right here. Squeezed. Really nice. You can see MACD was positive and PTN squeeze was building momentum. It looks like IHT broke to the downside. Let's see if it's trapping with the shorts. You see MACD wants to turn. Doge just hovering around 60 cents. Got the 1 hour. Here still going down. There's nothing really playing. Come on, man. Got too much volume. Okay. Go. Like he wants to cross. Let's go. Go. There he is. Go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Go the upside, baby. Squeeze him. Like you. Turn. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, man. Stop messing around. Oh, to the upside, baby. Getting a yellow candle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me more upside, man. Let's go. He wants to cross to the upside. That's really pretty. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. Squeeze. Let's go, baby. We squeeze them shorties. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so did you see what happened? the whatchamacallit, the shorts got squeezed out, man. They're going short around this area. Broke this downtrend, having a hard time breaking 5 when he finally broke it. Look at that. But the MACD, all right, was already crossing, which is a very, very bullish indicator. The 3 minutes. So as soon as, okay. Also on this DTM squeeze, I don't know if you saw, but there was a gold dot. It disappeared. Oh, right here. And when you have a gold dot right here, is that a squeeze is forming to these. Okay. 487. Nice. Nice. $587. Nice squeeze there on IHT. Look at ears. You're still downtrending, man. Come on. Nice move on IHT. I was in on this break. 490. Where was I at? Go back. What happened to the play? On my chart. I was in at 493. Yeah, so the break of that trend right there. So about 90-cent move. Beautiful. Beautiful. So the volume here, a lot of volume coming in here got me confident, okay, to stay in the play. I was down for a little bit here on this doji candles right here, because I got in on this break, but this volume is what kept me in. This when the colors turn to a different color, okay, you got the yellow, which is higher than the last average candle. You have blue, and then you have orange, which is high relative volume. Then you have this pink line, which is very, very strong volume. I think 3 times relative volume. So it I was very confident that if that we're above VWAP and we're gonna make a move up. Plus the MACD was right here. So I saw a squeeze coming, and we had this yellow dot as well. On the Pro TTM squeeze, you get this gold dot, meaning that there's a squeeze coming either to the upside or to the downside. Okay, but obviously it wasn't to the downside, because when it tried to go to the downside, it squeezed out the shorts. So this volume right here got me really confident into staying in the play. So 90-cent move there, amazing. What happens when you're patient and just wait? I was really wanting ears to go for another leg up, but it just want to go. And let's go to it. Breaking over the 200. MACD wanted to cross here, get some momentum. Just couldn't do it. In order for this play to be valid, MACD has to cross, but you also have to cross over trend. You can't just cross over MACD. You have to be crossing over a trend. Candle should be turning green. That means that you're getting above the moving averages that I've selected. Go over, and it's not, so no go. All right, all right. Nothing much going on. RGS. Got a squeeze here, really nice. Okay. MACD losing momentum, wants to turn over. The big going long, could catch it. The bearish move momentum. IHT holding up well after that big move. And right here, really nice. I just said move from my entry. I explain why I got in on that entry. RGS, trying again. Yeah, moved up, came down. I think it's losing momentum. You get trapped there. The best moves are when you're crossing over from red to green. It's the best move. Right here is very risky because you see it lose momentum at the TM squeeze plus the MACD. Got Tesla real quick. But coming down after that big run. Okay, again, you see here 3 minute. You got MACD, right? Losing momentum. These indicators are telling you like time to move. And you can see you hovered around this price for a little bit and then just come down. IV is a swing trade that I have. Looking for a downtrend break. Have some support there at the bottom. We did hit 77 this morning. Be patient. SPCE. This one has gone down a lot and is due for some upside. Your earnings coming up? Oh, way on the 10th. Let me know if you want me to look at any charts. Put it in the comments below. Anybody tuning in? IHT moving higher. Another flag breakout. $6. Nice. Nice. I'm telling you, just look at the bigger time frames and it's telling you where the momentum is. So from 576 to a 25-cent scalp, and now down 20. Woo! Oh my God! Just give everything back. Hold up, really nice. So it trapped people right there. That's why you take your profits. Can't hold forever. You know, like I took my profits on this squeeze, and you know I left it alone already. Be greedy. If I would have gone in this break, I would have just scalped it again. You know, being out before that dump. Going to the scanner, seeing what I find. Oh. Yeah, this one could trap people too. Look at the MACD crossing over, losing momentum. Yeah, I think it could go squeeze up and then just give everything back like the other one did. Yeah. going on with the scanner, guys, seeing what I find. Looking into the scanner, seeing what I find. Okay, ears. Look at ears. Looking like it wants to reverse. Keep this one on watch. Finally getting a signal here. Wants to squeeze out. See, we come down a little bit. Looking for some entries closer to the three. What do we have here? Yeah, closer to 335. Anything below 340. And we get a pullback here. I can write the momentum. Stop loss will be right below that signal. Oh, come down. Yeah, I think I missed it on the second candle. I just got very little there at 245. Okay, now it filled me in. There was that pullback right there. Pullback I was waiting for. Okay. Should have been a little bit more patient, but everything's looking good. This is forming a squeeze now. Got a little bit of volume. Okay, see if we can scalp here. Few cents. We need a break above this 346 area. More upside potential. Did get a little bit of volume here. Let's see if we can continue. Stop loss right below that candle. We have the red dot is forming a squeeze. Now the probability of the squeeze going up is on our side because of the MACD momentum. Okay. So doesn't mean that it's gonna be we just play the probability game. Okay, we need to stay above that 335. It's lunchtime now, so we can get a little bit of volume. I would have had a better entry on this one. I really missed it. I should have put an alert at the break of this. 200 EMA. We're testing some support now. We need to stay above the support. Yeah, a lot of selling on the tape. Some buyers should step up here. Yeah. Yeah, I couldn't hold support. Okay. Now buyers coming in right there. 5. Yeah, volume's too low right now. Volume is too low right now. All right. I lost a few pennies on that one. Okay, just playing with some house money on that 80-cent squeeze that we got earlier on IHT. Okay, let's move right here. Build it. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, and tune in every day. Market open all the way to lunchtime, so we can scalp, create the market together. You can also ask me to look at charts, and I will look at them for you. So make sure you like and subscribe. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be on with me tomorrow at the market open. All right. I'm also doing a series on several sectors like EVs, okay, and Dogecoin and some cryptocurrencies. You don't want to miss out. Go ahead and like and subscribe so you can stay tuned to all the details, all the support and resistances of where you can load up and take profits. Okay, so till next time, I'll see you guys. Adios.